Hi kids! Let's learn wild baby animals. A baby lion, a baby tiger, and a baby bear is called cub. Babies of large cats like leopards, jaguars, and panthers are also called cubs. A baby elephant, a baby hippo, and a baby giraffe is called calf. A baby hyena, a baby wolf, and a baby sloth is called pup. A baby kangaroo and a baby koala is called joey. A baby monkey and a baby gorilla is called infant. A baby fox and a baby otter is called kit. A baby zebra is called fawn. A baby deer is called fawn. A baby turtle is called hatchling. A baby owl is called owlet. A baby flamingo is called flaminglet. And a baby penguin is called chick. Masayang pag-aaral! Like, subscribe, and hit the bell